everyone, good morning. Today's Friday. It's about 4:30. No, it's not 4:30. It's about 4:15 in the morning. I'm on my way to my first appointment of the weekend. It's going to be a quinceañera, so I'm going to be doing hair and makeup for the mom and the daughter. They both have to be ready by 8:45, 9 in the morning. That's why I'm starting super early. So yeah, if you guys want to see how they turned out, just watch the video. Mexicans be like, si llego. I need to stop at the gas station as soon as I'm done here. So we're going to go ahead and get started with the quinceañera's hair first. Here are my hot tools. And she's going to be wearing this crown. We're doing a half updo on her today. I just finished with my first quinceañera of the day. Kimberly, she's wearing pink today, so we did like a half updo. And go ahead and close your eyes here. She's so beautiful, and this is like all her skin. There's like no filter on this. How long have you guys been planning the quinceañera for?
For almost a year and a half.
Oh my.
And I'm super excited.
Finally, right? Because of COVID, you said everything like messed up, right?
Yeah.
I know. So it's good that you're finally going to be able to have it.
Finally, super excited.
Yes, I'm happy for you. And then this is the mother of the quinceañera. We did hair and makeup. Go ahead and turn around a little. Her chongo looks so nice. Thank you.
You don't understand.
So this is the aftermath. I'm gonna go ahead and just clean everything up, and I have a little break before my next client. It's 9 and my next client is not till noon, so I'm gonna go home, clean my brushes, and then start heading out in a bit. I just finished with the last ladies I had today. There were 5 girls, but we ended up doing 6. I had a fellow makeup artist help me out today. She did 2 girls for me, and I ended up doing 4. I'm driving home right now, but it looks like it's going to take about an hour to get back home. So I stopped by real quick at Sonic. So yeah, so today was it's my Monday pretty much, and then tomorrow is Saturday. So I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Three, two, one.
Hey everyone, good morning. Today is Saturday. It is about 5:30 in the morning, and I'm on my way to my first appointment of the day. I'm doing hair and makeup on one client, and I'm doing hair on her daughter. And we have a pretty busy day ahead of us, so just keep watching the video so you can see what the whole day is going to be like. And then open your eyes and close it. So I just finished with my first clients of the morning. I did hair and makeup on the mom, and then I did hair on the little girl. I'll go ahead and post a little video. She was so cute. My beautiful client. Let me see your hair, mommy. Look at mommy. Right now I'm on my way to National City. One of my old co-workers is having her daughter's quinceañera, so I'm gonna be doing her daughter's hair and makeup for the party, as well as makeup for her and hair and makeup for her other daughter. They can't decide on the makeup look.
No, and this time I'm saying to go more, and she wants to go less.
So I mean, I can put the lash, and then from there we can decide. Like, if you think like you want the eyeliner, we can put it after too, like on top of the lash. So we can do it without the eyeliner, And then,
and see how it looks.
uh-huh.
And then if you need more dramatic look, we can put the eyeliner.
Sounds good? Okay. Good morning. Today is Sunday. It's about 6:20. No, it's not even 6:20. I'm supposed to be there at 6:20. It's like 6:12 in the morning right now. I'm on my way to my appointment for today, Sunday. I have 4 girls I'm going to be doing hair, and then I have one that I'm going to be doing makeup on. I didn't finish recording yesterday because after I got finished with the quinceañera, I was so tired because I still had to drive back and I still had another client, and I didn't even get to record anything from the last client. I just did like a little clip of her hair. But that's it. I was exhausted. So yeah, I just got home. I cleaned my brushes as fast as I could and got all my stuff ready for today. Today we have a total of 5 ladies. I think they all need to be done by 11. That's why I'm starting so early, because it's a job that I'm able to do just by myself. So it's such a beautiful morning. So let's see how everything turns out. Day 3, or actually I don't even know if it's day 3. I worked every single day this week except for Monday. Monday was the only day I had off. Just arrived to my location that I'm going to be doing hair on today. You can see it out right here.
Hi.
She's getting her makeup done all by herself, and then I'm just going to be doing her hair. Look at her nails though. Look, check out. Aren't they so pretty? If I find out who the nail artist was, I'll go ahead and tag her. And then this is the hair that we're going to be working, the first client for today. So beautiful. And then the sister, we did hair too. And then I ended up doing hair and makeup on the mom as well. She looks so happy.